When working with the metric system, you need to realize that the metric system has prefixes, and what this means is these are parts of words that come before the actual word we're working with. In this case, we're working with meters. So you could take meter and put it after kilo, and it's kilometer, or hectometer, or decameter. And then when it says none, that's where just regular meters go, 1 meter. And then there's smaller ones like decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Now there are a few on here that we don't use very often, like decameter or hectometer or decimeter, but we do use centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, regular meters quite a bit. So to be able to compare, we just need to know what order they go in. So right here we have this is 1 meter. It means kilometers are 1,000 times bigger than meters. This question talks about centimeters. Centimeters are 100 times smaller than a meter. This would be 10 times smaller. This would be 100 times smaller. And this all the way down here is 1,000 times smaller. So to answer your question, how many centimeters are in 1 meter, the answer is right here. It's 0.01.